Hello friends, before couple of time I sent my own video regarding speaking English. So many people might have subscribed it and would have liked it. In that video I discussed to speak with the non-native speakers. I use the word in the sense that there are so many people who can speak English in India. So they are non-native English speakers. Like Gyan Vatsal, Saint, the English spoken by Indian cricketers, by Indian scientists. I just try to follow these persons, these Indian English speakers, because they have also studied our English grammar and how they utilize their words, their grammatical topics into English. So, first make a habit of speaking with the non native speakers. Then we will get proper confidence, a proper idea, and we can be able to strengthen our vocabulary also. So it will be very possible for us to speak English in a smooth way, like I mentioned in my video. So try to follow the non-native English speakers and set your ideas with their pronunciation, tones and movements. As much as it is possible, we have to do this. The more and more we listen the videos from non-native English speakers from our country, they might be abroad, they might be out of our country also. So we have to follow all these people, all those persons from Google and also from YouTube channels and try to listen to them and try to set proper ideas in English. So then make a habit, and after getting habituated towards them, we will be able to understand the English language. Then we will be capable to speak English confidently. So follow them, and if it is possible for us to get increment in our vocabulary and in our speaking ability, we have to follow the native English speakers from different type of countries. So do all these things. I personally believe it's my own point of view. Thank you for listening to me, and I hope you will continue listening to me. Thank you very much.